All right, so on the density worksheet, we have a mass of 350.0 grams and a volume of 70.5 milliliters, and we want to find the density. So we're going to use guess again. We got to know what our givens are. So our givens are 350.0 grams. And we know that's a mass, one, because they told us, but two, you should also be recognizing grams are going to be mass, because sometimes they won't say the word mass. And a volume of 70.5 milliliters. And again, it won't always say volume, but you should know milliliters or liters is going to be your volume measurements. Unknown, what is the density? Density. Equation, density equals mass over volume. So that's just helping you set up the problem. So always do this on each one. It gets your brain organized and it makes sure you're not missing steps. Substitute, density. I don't have a density substitute, so I just rewrite it. Mass. My mass is equal to 350.0 grams. So I'm going to write 350.0 grams. Always write the magnitude and the units. Volume, 70.5 milliliters, because I'm taking my mass divided by my volume. My mass divided by my volume. Okay, and the next S is substitute. 350.0 divided by 70.5, and that gives me 4.965 grams per milliliter. I didn't cancel out these guys, so I still have to rewrite them over here. And my last S is for sig figs. 350.0, 1, 2, 3, 4 sig figs, because the decimal means the trailing zeros are important. 70.5, 3 sig figs. So always go with whatever's the least number. So 3 is the least. So my answer has to only be 1, 2, 3 sig figs. So I look at that fourth number, and that's a 5. So that means I'm going to have to round up. 4.97 grams per milliliter.